Lunjiao Woodworking Machinery Exhibition, December 12 to 15, 2025. Hold CNC arrives with cutting-edge innovations. Laser welding edge banding process. Frame door edge banding process. Notch avoidance edge banding process. 45 handle-free edge banding process. Laser edge banding, thin sheet edge banding. 45 six-side processing. 122 cutting workstation. 6-side drilling rotary workstation. Fully servo-driven edge banding machine. Starting on the 12th, Lunjiao Exhibition Hall Booth 1A02 and R&D Base.